Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Newnik PSE101 Personal Scale Digital. This is a digital weighing machine for your personal use. You can see what this personal scale looks like. This comes with auto on features, backlight, anti-skid technology, sturdy body, large LCD and a maximum capacity of 180 kilos. Okay, the back side, more or less the same information you will find. It comes with 4 sensors. 4 high gauge sensors provide consistent, accurate measurement up to 180 degrees. Comes with a stylish and precise design. Also, this particular scale comes with high precision as well. Has a gradual increment of 100 grams per 0.2 pounds and runs on 2 AAA batteries as well. Furthermore, this is an ultra thin weighing machine. I will now open this and show you what's inside. Right at the top, we have the instruction manual for the PSE series. This is basically the user manual. Everything that you want to know you will find in this document. You should read this at least once. By the way, this is an ISO certified weighing scale, so this is guaranteed to be a pretty good one. Let's take a look at the weighing machine now. So there you go. This is what it looks like. It has a very large display monitor right over here. Not just that, it has a gray finish to it. This part is matte gray, this part is pretty glossy, but overall it has a gray tone. Underneath is black, of course, but that really doesn't matter. These are the 4 anti-slip rubber stops, and the batteries are inside here. They're already included. They're not working right now because this particular strip of plastic is preventing it from turning on. Let me just remove that and show you how it works. Also notice that this is the unit changer. You can shift between kilos, pounds and stones. And here we are, we have display. You can see it's currently 0 now, but let me put on some pressure and show you how much, show you the scale changing actually. So let me just put my hand over here. There you go. Let me add some pressure. That's around 7 to 8 kilos of pressure. Currently the unit is kgs, and if you can see this, the currently unit is kgs. But if I switch the unit from here, this button is that you use for switching. Let me just do that. Switch it once. It's now in pounds. So when I press it down, it will give you the same measurement in pounds. And if I click again, it will give you kilos. So you're only getting pounds and kilos with this one. So there are 2 units, kilos and pounds. So there you go. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Newnik PSE101 Personal Scale Digital. Thank you for watching.